Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Alison Premium, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Alison Premium, start by visiting the official Alison website. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill out the required fields with your personal information such as your name, email address, and password. After entering your details, agree to the terms and conditions. Then, click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email shortly after. Open your email inbox and look for the email from Alison. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Alison homepage. Now, click on the Login button at the top of the page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Alison Premium section. Here, you will find various subscription options available. Select the premium plan that suits your learning needs. You will be directed to a payment page. Enter your payment details securely. After confirming your payment, your Alison Premium account will be activated. You can now access exclusive courses and materials available for premium members. Take your time to explore the courses that interest you. Feel free to reach out to Alison's customer support if you encounter any issues. Enjoy your learning experience with Alison Premium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.